Hey guys, welcome to New Markeko Monday. Today we're going to be talking about something that I don't think it's relatively new. A lot of people have asked, but it's really Facebook Marketplace. And so a lot of people have talked about Facebook Marketplace, and it's really this icon you can see, the icon you can see down here on your mobile application, right? And so today what I'll be doing is just giving you a brief overview of both sides of marketplace, both from a customer side and also from a business side. So how can you use Facebook Marketplace or this little icon you can see here? It's nothing new. Facebook launched Marketplace back in 2007. This is how it used to look like. It's basically a Craigslist if you're in Latin America or OLX, but it's basically a marketplace for you to be able to sell and buy stuff within Facebook. This is how it looks like now within the mobile app, right? They've redesigned, rechanged everything. You have pricing now, you have addresses, and you have a bunch of information that you didn't have before. And you can also contact the seller through Facebook Messenger. This is how it looks like within your computer, right? So if you access Marketplace right here, you're going to be able to see a bunch of different products listed depending on the category, right? So I can categorize now all of the different products within the marketplace by home and garden, house and vehicles, electronics, and a bunch of other stuff, right? So why would they want to do this, and why did Facebook came up with this? One, and I would say, is a couple of pretty cool things that are coming, I would say, but one is Facebook Messenger. And so, what Facebook is trying to do here is really build the ecosystem within Facebook Messenger. Why? Because whenever you see a product now, you can send them a message. And what's cool and what's coming up now, and it's already available in a bunch of countries and it's coming in new ones, is Facebook payments. And so you're going to be able to pay directly within Facebook Messenger. Why? Because I ask information here, right? So they're going to send me a message. I can ask for information. I can request pictures, and then I can also pay and have my product be delivered directly within Facebook. And so what you're trying to build is really the ecosystem of a marketplace, both where customers can buy products, but also businesses can sell anything. We haven't really tested this as much with ads, and I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can do now. And I don't know about results, but what I'm thinking is, if you're in the housing market, I don't know if it's going to work that well, but if you're in electronics, apparel, clothing, like, it's a great application for you to sell your products directly within Facebook and not take people out of Facebook to a website, right? So I can sell them directly within the Facebook ecosystem, and I don't have to take them out of the ecosystem. So this is what you can see from a user perspective, right? I can look at products, click on them, and just order them. And then how does it look like from a business side, and what can you do within Facebook business? And so I'm going to give you a brief demo. This is how your Facebook marketplace looks like from a customer side. If I click on a product, as you can see, I can look at pictures, I can look at pricing, whereabouts, description, and who's selling the product. Now, how does it look like from a company or a business side? And this is what's cool about it, is that I can have different catalogs of all of my different products. How do you access that catalog? Basically, you go into your tools, you go into assets, and you go to catalogs. And that's going to show you the different products that you can upload within Facebook. So this is basically something that can complement your e-commerce site or your website, because you can basically create and upload all of the products that you have on an e-commerce site directly within Facebook, so that people can browse them, look at pricing, and also just purchase them. So you can use data feeds, so you can upload a bunch of different products at the same time, or you can add them manually. So if I click here, I can basically add a picture, as you can see, a name, description, pricing, a web link if you're linking this to your website. And what's really cool about this is that Facebook just opened two things within the marketplace. And so number one is they just opened a placement within marketplace. So now I can actually promote the products I have within my catalog, right? So everything on all my products that I have within my catalog, I can upload them within the marketplace. And two, this is how your ads are going to look like, right? So you're going to have your product, your pricing, a call to action. You can add an image within your carousel ads or an image, or depending on how you do it. But what's cool about this is you can actually link this to your e-commerce site and do a lot of dynamic ads. So you used to be able to do dynamic ads before, but now they're integrating dynamic ads within your marketplace. So if you are an e-commerce site, this is pretty helpful. And I'm going to show you here within the ads manager how and a couple of different things that you can do within catalog sales now, right? So when you're launching a new ad, and I'm going to go here real quick. And we're going to go to a guided creation so that you can look at it. But if I go to catalog sales, right? And that's fine. We already have a catalog sales. I'm going to switch my account here. Let's see. We're going to go with this one. And so if you look at catalog sales, right? This is where you're launching campaigns as you used to before for an e-commerce site. This is where you also launch your campaigns for the marketplace, right? So if I go to continue, we're going to use those. A couple of cool things that you could do now, as I explained, one is here's the message, like you can add marketplace now. So let's wait for this to load. But as you can see, Facebook has added within the placement a marketplace option now. So you can actually use ads within the marketplace to sell your products. But the other cool thing that you can do now, and you used to do it before as well, but you could do people that have added stuff to your cart but not purchased, cross-sell products, custom combinations. So this is going to allow you to be more dynamic within your ads. So who is this really helpful for? And I would say if you're an e-commerce site, or if you're in social commerce. And what I mean by social commerce is everyone that's selling products within Facebook Messenger. Why? Because you can have conversations within the Facebook Messenger platform without having people to take them out of Facebook to a website. So whenever I launch an ad, right, before I had to send them to my web, but now I can launch an ad and I can actually send them directly to the marketplace within Facebook, and they can actually make a purchase here. Whereas before I had to send them to a website to make a purchase. And so in countries where the internet penetration or the amount of people that use internet are low, but there's free social media like Facebook, this is great, right? So if you're in a developing country, this is great. And I also think if you're in a business within like apparel, electronics, everything that you can sell that's a quick sell, right? Like you can't do it with house with a car, because people still have to ask for information. They want to see the car, they want to see the apartment or the condo, the complex. But within electronics, like a cell phone, like a computer, anything that you can sell specifically, or they're already selling within e-commerce or social commerce, this should work really well, because people are going to be doing payments, as I said, directly within Facebook Messenger. So that's a brief overview of Marketplace. A lot of people have asked what's new about it, if it's a new tool, how to use it. This is how you can use it as of today as a business. You can upload basically your products. You can sell your products directly there, and you can now also market your products within the marketplace. So thanks again for listening today. Don't forget to join our Facebook group where we have more than 4,000 members by now. You can ask questions, you can comment, you can ask questions related to Facebook, to the exams. Don't forget to download your free study guide. Follow us on our blog, and hopefully we'll see you on next week. Thank you guys. See ya.